for whatever horrible fucking jokes the creator of this site wrote. I'm about to meet every person in the world that can make comedy. Get ready for this one. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Bonzi was hard banned for this message. I played a joke on you. In a joke. Get it? Pretend that I'm actually nodding in here. It would be fucking embarrassing for me if I got found out this way. Okay, it's time. Are you ready? Also pretend I'm gasping here. Yes, I'm role-playing to you, in a joke. That's pretty embarrassing now, is it? Okay, now I'm actually going to say it. Get ready. Penis. Come on. Laugh. I know you want to laugh. I can see you laughing at that screen. Don't lie. Okay, I'll admit, that one was pretty fucking stupid. I'm sorry. Not sorry for wasting your time. Not sorry for making an unfunny ass joke. Sorry for making you realize that you don't know true comedy. If you don't, you're a fucking retard. Thanks for nothing. Do I amuse you, user? Am I funny? Do I make you laugh? Please respond.